this is the first upload on this channel, I'm Dr. Wiley, and on this channel we will be discussing technology tips, tricks, and hacks. For today we will be going over a quick, easy, simple GIMP tutorial, the first in a series of GIMP tutorials that I will be uploading. In today's lesson, I will be showing you two ways to import an image into your project. The first method is to click on File, Open, select your image, Open, and there you have it. The second method is the drag and drop method. Go over to your folder, select the image, drag it over into your project, and there you have it.